In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your calendar to Calendly, 5 minutes. By the end of this walkthrough, your calendar will be linked to Calendly so it can automatically check your availability and place confirmed meetings on your schedule. All you need is access to your Calendly account and the calendar you use, whether that's Google, Outlook, or Exchange. Start by opening your browser and going to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Login, enter your email address, choose Continue, then type your password and continue again. This brings you into your Calendly account. You'll land on the main homepage where you typically see your event types and scheduling options. Next, look for integrations and apps. You'll find it in the navigation inside your Calendly account. Click it to open the integrations page. Here, Calendly groups the tools it can connect with. Find the calendar options and choose Google Calendar if you use Gmail or Google Workspace. Selecting that will take you to your calendar settings area inside Calendly. In calendar settings, you'll see the different calendar providers that can be connected. Calendly supports Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and Exchange Calendar. Pick the one that matches the system where you actually keep your meetings. If you're not sure, think about where your current appointments live or which app you open every day to check your schedule. Once you've chosen the right provider, click Connect. Calendly will prompt you to choose the email account that owns that calendar. This is a standard secure authorization window from your provider. You may be asked to sign in and then approve the permissions Calendly needs. These permissions allow Calendly to read your busy time so it can prevent double booking and to add new events when someone books with you. Review the prompt, then continue to approve. After you follow the on-screen prompts, the connection completes and you'll be returned to Calendly with your calendar marked as connected. From here, Calendly can check your conflicts and add meetings automatically. If you manage more than one calendar under the same provider, you'll be able to choose which calendars to check for conflicts and which one to use for adding new events, keeping everything organized. That's it. You've connected your calendar to Calendly, which means your availability stays accurate and new bookings appear where you expect them. If you ever change providers later, you can return to integrations and apps to manage or update your connection. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother scheduling with Calendly.